Alright guys, I'm on this trail. Check it out. Middle of the woods here. Hope I don't run into any black bear here. Hope there's no mountain lions up here either. In the middle of nowhere, guys. This is in the deep woods of Georgia. There's black bear in here, guys. A lot of black bear. Who knows? Maybe even a Bigfoot. There might be a Bigfoot in here somewhere. Hope I don't run into Bigfoot. I hope not. But it's a nice little trail. Nice little trail I'm walking through. I'm just out here in the wilderness. It's me and the bears, Bigfoot. Enjoying the mountain, guys. This is what it's all about. Enjoy these mountains. Alright guys, I'm gonna end this video here. See y'all later, bye.